Hello. The weather picture looks set to remain pretty mobile across Western Europe, particularly the northwest of Europe in the next few days, with numerous areas of low pressure swinging in from the Atlantic, almost making no 2 days the same. Tuesday currently looks like it will offer quite clear skies to the UK before an area of low pressure starts to roll in from the west. Clear skies also extend down into much of France, Spain, through Germany and Denmark. Some quite strong winds though across Denmark for a time. It's the southeast that has the messiest picture, if you like, on Tuesday. Showers bringing a risk of flooding to Greece, Turkey, particularly as far south as Cyprus. Some showers across the Balkans you can see there too. Sunshine for Spain and for Portugal. Clouds starting to extend though into western France through Tuesday afternoon. Further north, a wintry picture across Scandinavia. Some snow once again extending as far north as Lapland. Here we are on Wednesday. There's the UK now underneath this massive rain as the low ploughs in, and that rain will start to increasingly affect western France too. Still sunshine though across Iberia, looking quieter by then too for Greece, still pretty showery for Turkey. Mixed fare for London and Paris in the coming days. Madrid, however, should stick with some sunshine, maybe see the odd shower in Rome on Thursday. Some flakes of snow likely to fall in Moscow in the next few days, a wintry flavour in Kiev too. Hello there. It's been a wintry weekend across the plains of North America and the northern plains and the Midwest of the USA, generally the Great Lakes. Low pressure now pulling out into the Atlantic, but still the tail end of it set to bring windy and wintry weather to the Canadian Maritimes on Monday, and the strong northerly or northwesterly winds on the tail end of the low will mean the risk of further lake effect snow. To the south, this weather front bringing some heavy showery rain, particularly into southern Georgia and the Florida Panhandle. Further west, very different story. Under a big area of high pressure, clear skies and a lot of dry weather. Of course, the appropriate cold for the time of year across Western Canada, but a beautiful looking day around Vancouver Bay. Sunshine takes us all the way down into Southern California. But you can see an area of low pressure out here in the Pacific. That looks like it will come piling into San Francisco on Tuesday, Los Angeles on Wednesday. Some rainfall here. Risk of some flooding again for parts of California. Off we go to the east coast, New York, perhaps with some brightness on Monday. The showers, though, grazing into coastal regions of the Carolinas, I should say, even through the second part of the day. But it will be the Florida Panhandle, I think, that gets the worst of the weather overall. Things should clear here quite quickly as we look through Tuesday and Wednesday, however. Hello. Our latest South American satellite picture shows you quite pronounced contrast in the weather across the continent at the moment. To the south, largely clear skies, a lot of fine weather, just a front grazing into southernmost Chile and Argentina. Further north, much thicker cloud, and we're going to have some fairly relentless rain for some areas through the course of the next few days. So much so that actually we are likely to experience some flooding. Certainly Bogota saw some flooding at the airport recently. More showers in the forecast here for Monday. Some heavy rain for northern Bolivia, parts of Peru too, and a particular focus on northern Brazil. Further south, I think Rio just escaping with perhaps some cloud at times, a little bit of a light shower on Monday, but generally lump that in with a drier weather, if you like, further south. The outlook does have that story changing, however, by Friday and Saturday, I should say, once again, as some rain arrives. But Rio generally with some of the drier weather across Brazil in the next day or so. For Mexico, a reasonable amount of fair weather, just a few isolated coastal showers. Still some heavier downpours affecting parts of Costa Rica, but we do have some sunshine once again as we head further north into the Caribbean, across Cuba, Haiti, the Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico and Jamaica. And the outlook for the next few days, very much one featuring a good deal of sunshine. Clearer skies for San Jose. Hello. Our latest Asian satellite picture shows where we've picked up some heavier showers into the coast of southern Vietnam just recently. Those all tend to move offshore now. Further north, not showing up quite so clearly on the satellite picture, is a weather front. You can kind of make out this band of cloud here. It's going to be quite an important front, though, in the course of the next few days as it sinks south across southeastern China, the Korean Peninsula and into Japan. We'll bring some very wet weather, some squally winds. It's very mild ahead of that front though. 22 there in Tokyo, 15 in Shanghai, but those temperatures will change significantly by the end of the week. As promised, some dry weather for southern Vietnam. Still more showers though for much of Malaysia and Indonesia. Quite dry though for the Philippines. Let's take a look at what happens to our temperatures plummeting across Japan from 23 down to just 6 in Osaka by Saturday, and Seoul tapers off to -4. We stay with heat though as we head to Australia. Still above average temperatures across Queensland. Heat abating somewhat here as the week goes on. Some hefty showers possible again though on Tuesday across Queensland, with the risk of some flash flooding. Also the potential for flooding for the South Island of New Zealand on Tuesday, with the threat of some very heavy rain for the southwest and the northeast, and some very strong winds to the north of the South Island in exposure as well. Big spike in the temperatures for Melbourne Thursday and Friday, figures coming back down again Saturday, Sunday. Hello. A quick look at the latest Indian satellite picture. You can see a massive cloud to the south of the Bay of Bengal that's basically growing in size all the while. This is a developing feature called an easterly wave, which is basically a big bunch of hefty showers that are coming to roll across parts of Tamil Nadu and parts of Andhra Pradesh Monday into Tuesday. Some locally very intense rain here, and then eventually extending into Kerala and Karnataka through Tuesday and Wednesday. Further north, skies are a good deal clearer. We could again, though, to the north see some issues with patchy mist and fog and a few problems with low air quality. Heading up towards Kazakhstan, cold air in here now. -8 is our high for Astana on Tuesday. Temperatures in Tashkent still not doing too badly, just about in double figures here. 15 in Kabul, 25 for Delhi. Again, some possible air quality and visibility issues nearby here. Isolated showers for the Maldives, some heavy rain for Sri Lanka. There are the heavy showers across southern India. To the north of the Bay of Bengal, though, we're back with dry weather and sunshine. And here's your outlook for the coming days. It stays dry for Mumbai, Dhaka and Islamabad. Colombo, however, in line for more locally heavy thundery downpours. Tashkent holding steady with the temperatures, a bit more cloud arriving in the coming days, though perhaps the odd shower by Saturday or Sunday. Hello. Some outbreaks of showers to discuss across Africa and the Middle East for the next few days. They are pretty localised, of course. We'll always get our most widespread showers across the equatorial belt. But to the south, some heavier showers again affecting northern parts of Mozambique, southern Tanzania, perhaps a few heavier ones on Tuesday to the east of South Africa, and still some pretty potent ones affecting parts of Madagascar. Further north, you may also, though, just pick out some showers across the northern coast of Libya and affecting northern Egypt. That's all tied in with an area of low pressure in the Mediterranean. The outlook for the coming days for Cape Town is one of a lot of fine weather, lots of sunshine for Dakar too. Johannesburg may see the odd shower on Friday. Elsewhere, sunshine for Khartoum and Casablanca, slightly more mixed fare for Kinshasa and Lusaka. Up towards the Middle East we go now, and let's see what that area of low pressure in the eastern Med is going to do on Tuesday. Looks like it's going to feed a lot of cloud and some showers into the Levant, maybe some showers breaking out further south too along the Red Sea coast, affecting coastal regions of Saudi Arabia. There'll be quite a strong southerly wind as well. That might result in some blowing dust and sand. Some of these showers to the north could locally be quite heavy across Syria into northern Iraq, resulting in a little bit of flooding in a few places. Showers in the forecast for Q8 by the time we get to Wednesday and Thursday.